I think the stock market can absolutely fall next week, my friend. Please be careful. I was not at all impressed with the stock market on Thursday. You know me, on the S&P 500, and I've shared this with you. I thought we could get a dead cat bounce up to about 5,382 on the S&P 500. And yeah, the S&P 500 at best was up 0.8, maybe 0.9% during the day, but then fell and closed only fractionally higher. I think there's a ton of weakness out there. I don't think the market comes down in a straight line necessarily, but my next target low for the S&P 500 is way down there at 4,780. Now, just because I give that level, that is not what I believe is the bear market low. I think we have a lot lower to go. I think the bear market can continue through probably most of 2025. So you better be careful. And what is your plan? You better have a plan. What do you think happens? Do you think the stock market is up next week or down next week? Thank you to Bank of America and the Kabasi letter for this little gem here. A record 50% of institutional investors intend to reduce U.S. stock market exposure in 2025. What are you waiting for, my friend? Allocation to U.S. stocks fell 13 percentage points over the last month to a net 36% underweight. Whoa, the lowest since March of 2023 when we had the so-called banking crisis. Since February, investors' allocation to U.S. equities has dropped by about 53 percentage points. Yeah, mine's dropped way more than that, marking the largest two-month decline on record. A record 82% of respondents to this query are now expecting the world economy to weaken. I have been sharing this with you for 2 months now. Where have you been? Okay? If you think you need help, reach out to me. Click that red email icon in my bio. And I want you to know I absolutely nibbled on some more short positions on Thursday here, maybe about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Again, I think stocks fall next week. What's your plan for it? This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.